Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to repair Internet Explorer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fire up Internet Explorer. I've got mine fired up right here. So I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom and click on Internet Options. Then you've got some tabs across the top here: General, Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and very last but not least is the Advanced tab. Now you're going to find a lot of different options through here, but you want to just ignore this big white window here. Just go down to the bottom and you'll see this Reset Internet Explorer Settings. Now you're going to want to do this if it doesn't work right, and this is what this repair does, this reset does. It takes Internet Explorer back to the way it was when you first installed it. It deletes all the content, all of your temporary cache, everything. It just restores it to just how it was when you installed it. So you click this button here, Reset, follow the dialogues out, and your Internet Explorer will be fixed. And that's all you need to know to repair your Internet Explorer.